Hey, we just had a customer take off on one of the 150TXs from SSR. We got to track him down somewhere. There he is. Caught him. Okay, he's busted. Take that baby. Okay, just so he didn't take off with it. One more. That one's for Dad. I'll try this one more time. That's the pitbikesgonewild.com. That's the SSR SR160-TX. This one's going to Carlsbad, California. Get yours from Whittier, California. 562-945-8361. How was it, Kyle?
Excellent.
Love it, huh? Woo! Okay, you're next, Junior. You can't ride it, though. Your bike's next. All right, good job. High Style Motoring, pitbikesgonewild.com. We'll see you here.